The Bool tool add-on is just a way to streamline Boolean modifiers. Go to Edit, Preferences, Get Extensions, and type in Bool. Find Bool tool and click Install. With that turned on, you need to open up your N panel with N. Go to Edit, then Boolean, and we have Auto Boolean and Brush Boolean. I'll create another object here that I'll use for my Boolean object. First, you select the object you want to cut with, then the object you want to cut into or add into. If I use Auto Boolean, it will automatically apply the modifier. So you want to stick with Brush Boolean. So you can see that these two have been unioned, and now I can move this piece around. If you do difference, that will subtract the object from the other object. The Bool tool has all the same settings as the Boolean modifier. Things like intersect and slice, union and difference. You can toggle the cutter on and off, remove the cutter, or apply the cutter. You can see that these objects are in the modifier tab. I like to use the Bool tool because it makes things a lot quicker for me. Give it a try for yourself.